Scorpios, what's going on? What's going on with y'all? I hope everything is going good. I hope everything is well. If not, it will be, you know. And really everything is well. Everything is happening through you, is happening for you, not to you. Alright? It's important to try to keep that attitude. But what we're going to do today, right now, is a reading on past, present, and future Scorpios. So we're gonna dig up a little history. Just giving you a warning. You know what I'm saying? As I shuffle these cards, I'm just warning you. It's gonna be a 3-card draw. I ain't gonna hold y'all long. First card is gonna represent your past. Subsequent card is gonna represent the present moment, and the last card is gonna represent your future. All right. Now, I'm going to shuffle these cards a little more. Then I'm going to slice and dice this deck. And we're going to get to it. Also, for those who are just watching, I'll be doing tarot readings, various different types of tarot readings. When I do them, you'll be able to see what type of readings they are based upon the hashtags that follow the title. All right? So, one more good shuffle. And slice and dice of the deck. And we're going to get to it. This is your past card, Scorpio. The past. What do we have? Is that a king of some sort? A queen, pardon me. We have a queen in reverse. The Queen of Swords, at that, to be exact. Okay? So I'm getting groups. I'm picking up on a group. I'm picking up on a group that was... This group was treacherous. If not treacherous, if treacherous is too hard of a word, they were malicious. They were nasty. It's like some nasty work going on with this group. I'm even getting that your past is filled with some witches and warlocks. If not that deep into a cult, maybe just like some Eastern stars or some type of religion that's actually covered by a more acceptable or more embraced type of way of life, like religions that are not so easily frowned upon. However, it still could be some occult shit going on. Some people who know spells, and it's just nasty work, whoever these people are. And they can't be trusted. I think there was some form of manipulation used here. I think this queen may have even been a mother figure. It might be a mother figure, or maybe even a mother of your spouse. That's the mother-in-law, right? Could be that as well. And they just abuse their position. They know how to work people's minds. They know how to manipulate people's minds in a way that actually gets them on their side at that. You know what I'm saying? So I'm feeling like you are the black sheep of this group. I don't know if it's family. I don't know if it's religious, spiritual. But yeah, that's where you were in the past. I want to know what's going on in the present time. Present time for Scorpios. The Lovers in reverse. So the Lovers in reverse, yeah, I'm getting that this is connected. Your present moment in time is based upon some trust issues with another person. Now, this could be someone related to that past pain, or this can just be your disposition in life based upon your past experiences that we've just discussed. And because of this, this has made you this is not only do you have trust issues when it comes to relationships, you don't openly want to take accountability for the part you play in the disconnect in your present time relationships. Not only that, see what the people in your present time relationships don't understand about you is you have a personal value system that won't allow you to trust easily, and it encourages you to even act and behave in a detached type of way when it comes to the people that you're in a relationship with in these days. It doesn't mean you don't love, though. You have love, but your love is more connected to the way that you think. And you feel that this is actually something that has made you perfect. It's like a craft that you have perfected through learning based upon how people behave, how people treat you. So, just because we get in relationships with people, it doesn't mean that it's good. It could be like, oh, fuck, here we go, another experience, another learning experience, another learning curve, right? People are so disappointing. It's coming. We don't know exactly when. So you're just like holding this position like you know what it is already. So it's kind of like you're really either delaying or preventing the inevitable by being so detached. And in the way, you're actually teaching the other people that could be, and I say could be closer to you, how to actually really love someone. Because they may be too eager to pursue you in some type of way to where their value system just falls out at the bottom. They don't know how to love. And this is what makes you perfect, because whatever you've been through has you in this feeling of, well, this is it for me. And I don't know what your age is, but you're like, this is it for me when it comes to relationships. So I'm a perfect human being by myself. If you want to be my lover, my significant other, you're going to have to make a conscious decision to deal with me the way that I am. Not verbally taking accountability for not showing affection, or, this is going to be based on trust no matter what. No trickster shit going on. Let's look at your future. Your future is 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Well, it's not the worst. It could have been upright. You know what I mean? But your future looks like this. This is more Mercury in the present time. You're in the Mercury energy. But before it was really heavy in your mental because it's a gym. Well, no, I would say part of me. I take that back. Conscious decision when you're looking at the Lover's card. I call that a Sun card. I call that a Leo card. So a conscious individual decision you was in the present moment. But in the future, you can experience some type of frustration because of the reluctancy you have at the current moment to attach to people and form relationships. I'm just keeping it a beam with you, Scorpio. It can create some adversity for you. However, if you start to get into the field of the occult yourself and in healing and spirituality and stuff like that, you can really restore yourself fully. Your faith will actually be restored enough, and I think it's going to be directly relative to relationships, because you got to do some type of healing. That healing is going to come by way of communication. So again, I don't know if you're going to practice something that is spiritually based, but you're going to become spiritually aware in a way that allows you to become a full individual who knows better how to speak now with others. So they at least will afford you the opportunity to foster relationships in a better kind of way. So it's a storyline, It's a storyline that it just is what it is. You had to experience these things in order to come to this conclusion here. Because you're going to be left alone in a sense. Maybe it's going to be unemployment. You don't have no crew around you. You're going to feel like a lone wolf. And that's going to cause some adversity in your life. But like I said, your faith will be restored in some type of spiritual way. That's it.